If you want to find more watch faces for your Redmi Watch 6, then what you can do is you can open the Mi Fitness app on your phone, or Mi Fitness app. And once you open it, make sure that you have the device selected, and of course choose your Redmi Watch 6. And then here we have Manage Watch Faces. You can of course choose anything from this list over here, but you can also tap on All in order to search for more styles. Over here we have some suggestions that of course you can try to use. We have some recommendations as well, some popular options, and so on and so forth. As you can see, the list goes on and on and on. And I'm pretty sure you should be able to find something that you would like to use. So for example, I'm gonna use this one over here. After selecting it, we can apply it. So just tap on the apply button, wait a couple of seconds, and then we will see if it's going to update straight away. Of course, the watch has to install the watch face. So let's just patiently wait until for this process to be done, of course. All right, there we go. It has been applied and it changes immediately. So you don't have to wait even a second to, of course, to update the face on your Redmi Watch 6. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.